The participants who have already joined, please see the chat box. There is a feedback form. Before leaving the class, please fill up the feedback form and submit. That will be your attendance, and it is for submitting, providing you the certificate. So please don't forget to fill up the Google form, feedback form, feedback form, given the link in the chat box. Without filling the Google Meet, Google form, please don't leave this meeting. We'll wait for some time and then I will start for meeting. Anybody has difficulties in finding the Google form? Please write in the chat box or talk. Or everybody should open their mic, and yes, camera. Camera should be on. Camera should be on so that I can see who is coming in, who is going. Camera should be on and microphone should be off. Have you seen the feedback form? Anyone who has not find the feedback form, please tell me. Please unmute his mic and tell me. Have you seen the feedback form in the chat box?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Have you
सर
not find
चैट बॉक्स में फॉर्म शो नहीं हो रहा है, फीडबैक फॉर्म.
Okay, just hold on. Is it right now? Is it available right now?
Yes, available.
Yes. This is the feedback come attendance sheet, and the certificate will be given on the basis of the attendance. 90% attendance is required for obtaining the certificate. What is the problem? 550 has been enrolled and only 8 people is there. It means nobody is interested. Everybody should on your camera. I request to everybody to mute his microphone, but camera should be on so that I can see who is attending the class. So let us start right now. Today's topic is Introduction to Tally Prime. You all know that Tally Prime is very important software, very useful software for accountant. Before going into the deep into the class, let me introduce first myself, CMA Alokesh Dutta, a 40 years experience cost and management accountant. I have completed my tenure in Coal India Limited in April 2019, and after that I come into the practice, and now I am doing cost and management accountancy practice. I am 65 years old, and till today I am taking classes and also attending the classes. I am also attending a class as a student in some cases. So for learning, there is no age. If you learn, you can grow. If you do not learn, you cannot grow. Now, come to the point. Tally Prime is a latest version of the accounting, one of the most important software. There are other software, Bees and some other software is there in the market, but Tally Prime is the common software which is used tremendously across the India, even in abroad. So you should know Tally Prime for accounting purpose. It is not for an accounting software. Right now, it can give you the some inputs for GST reconciliation and GST invoice, etc. Invoice billing software also that we will explore one by one. First of all, how do I download the Tally Prime? So I am sharing right now my screen. How to download Tally Prime from the official website of the Tally. I am sharing my screen. I have to go to the any browser for downloading the Tally Prime. You just type here Tally Prime download. You will see the different link, but only go for this symbol. This is a Tally Solutions official website. Just click on the link Tally Prime download. Download now. This is the software. Don't go elsewhere because there are some other sites who are also able to, you can able to download, but don't download from that because that may be pirated or that may be full of virus. So this one you click. Just I click this. Right now, here you will see the Tally Prime Tally Solution official website. Now there are two options here: Tally Release 4.1, Edit Log 4.1. We will download Tally Prime. This one. We'll download this one. Tally Prime. Don't worry. We'll see right now. Download. You will see the download. Right now, I will explode it. Here my window is asking whether you want to change the device. Yes, it is a window precaution. This has been installed. Don't configure here, just install. Now here you will see the button start Tally Prime. Now you have to see Tally Prime will start the following setting. Country India, India SSS, user Tally Prime data here. You have to accept this. Accept it. Now here is the task. You will see there are 4 buttons. Try it for free, use license from network, reactivate existing license, activate new license. If you want to purchase, you have purchased the Tally, you can go this one. If you have a license but not active, you can deactivate that license from here. If you license from a network, that means one software and multiple users, so you can click here. But we are right now, we are not going to purchase, we are just going to use it as an educational mode. We will not purchase this one. Click this one. Right now you will have the Tally first screen. See this screen. Here is first point is create company. Now here I will tell you something, that before you going to do any accounting for any company or partnership firm or proprietorship concern or cooperative society, whatever the case may be, organization कुछ भी हो सकता है, but Tally is denoting this as a company. If you start a partnership company, even it will be create company. Here company means not private limited company or public limited company. Here company means your organization. Here company means your organization. Now I just entered this button. A screen has been opened. This is the configuration of the company, which company or partnership firm or proprietorship concern or trust or school, anything, any organization, you have to name in this pattern. I request all of you, I am holding this one, go to your laptop and download the Tally Prime educational mode. I stop my presentation right now and see and give you the scope for downloading the Tally Prime, what I have teach you right now. Do practice right now. Everybody do practice. After downloading the Teleprime from the net, please confirm unmuting your mic that you have downloaded the Teleprime and come to the stage where I have left. That means the company creation of company or firm. And just do yourself. Otherwise, you will not learn anything. Just confirm me that you have downloaded and installed and you are getting Teleprime education mode. Just type Teleprime download. You will get the Tele Solutions website link, and from that you will get download that Google Teleprime. This is there. Here is देखो. See this once again. Write Teleprime download. You see this one, Tele Solutions. See this. If you type in the Google search box Teleprime download, you will find download now Telesign. From there, from here you have to download what I have done already. Please unmute. I cannot be concentrate on the chat box. Please unmute your mic and tell me whether who has downloaded the Teleprime.
Sir, I have done.
Yes.
My name is Abdurrahman Hafiz. I have downloaded the Teleprint.
Okay. Good. Anyone else downloaded the Teleprime? I am giving enough time. Don't worry. I have enough time to teach you.
Sir, I have
So
also
take your
downloaded
time.
Teleprime.
हो गया?
Did I have also downloaded?
Yeah, done, sir.
Others, please respond.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I have also downloaded, sir.
Yes. Good.
Sir, I
Anyone
have
left?
also downloaded.
Anyone left for downloading? Who is troubling to download? Is there anybody who cannot download till now? Download and then install it. Just install and come to the point where I have left. So I think all of you have downloaded and installing that. If anybody cannot download, please write in the chat box so that I can help you. Is there anybody who cannot download? I think everybody has downloaded. Can I start again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just I am closing this one. This tally point. Now, this is the screen. You have to give the name of the organization. Though it is written as company, don't confuse. It is not for company, it is for everybody, every concern, every organization. Write down the name of the company or organization. And write just simply Alokesh Dutta and Associates, Alokesh and Associates, Mera Farm. Alokesh and Associates. Okay, I give that this one. Everybody should give their name, any name, because we will consider, we will complete the tally. Throughout the tally, we will go by that organization only. So it is required to create a organization here. Mailing address, mailing name, Alokesh and Associates, address, Bilaspur. I am from Bilaspur. I am just write down Bilaspur. You can give details also. Next, state. I am from Chhattisgarh. I am right now, it is given in Chhattisgarh. Pin code, my pin code is 495006. I am writing this one. Telephone number 07752, ये हमारा STD कोड है. लैंडलाइन नंबर है 443566. ओके, ये हम दिया. इसके बाद मोबाइल नंबर 7000864107. This is my personal, official mobile number. Email. The email of my firm is CMA Alokesh Dutta 59@gmail.com. Right? Currency, Indian currency. 1 अप्रैल 2024 से चालू हो रहा है. Indian currency. Accept yes or no? Yes. Why? Just type yes. Maintain. After type yes, you can see that there are another screen has opened. Accounting. Maintain accounts. Enable bill wise entry. Maintain inventory. Integrate account wise with inventory. जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का इन्वेंट्री नहीं है वो नो लिखेगा. Enable GST. alter goods and service tax, yes, we can change the rate of taxes later on for different goods. We'll come here later on. Yes, accept. Rate of interest. Enable tax deducted at source. Yes. If you, the company, or if your organization deducting tax from the source after
Okay, sir.
when you are making the payment, it will be yes. Otherwise, it will be no.
Hello, sir.
This is yes. Tell me.
Sir, your screen is freezing, sir. Only we can hear the voice. Is there anybody have the same problem?
Yes, yes. I was
Are
about
you
to say that.
are you not getting the screen?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
It's
Freezing, sir.
freezed.
Okay. Just
Yes, sir,
hold on.
it's on the freeze.
I'll reshare it. Can you able to see right now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
What
sir.
happened? It's not seeing.
Yes, sir. We can't see, sir.
I'm share it again. Now is it seeing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's not seeing. Okay. What is happening? अभी तक तो शेयर हो रहा था. Have you seen right now the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
जस्ट होल्ड करिए. Can you see my face?
No, sir.
अभी मेरा स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है.
No, sir.
हाँ,
It shows AD.
strange. You are not seeing me.
No, no, sir.
Yes, sir. We can't see you.
You can see me now, right now.
No, no, sir. No, sir. We can't see you.
What has happened? My camera is on. Somebody says he can see. Somebody can say what is happening. Wait. Am I audible here?
Yes, sir.
Can I see
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
are visible.
अभी दिख रहा है ना हमको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We can see you.
Yes. हम आप दोबारा शेयर कर रहा हूँ. Here, can you see the screen right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now it is educational mode. After installing, we have gone to there and create the company. Okay. Already one company that I have done. It is Alokesh and Associate. I have already created. Those people who have not created, create from the screen, name of the screen. They will see the company. Just create the company. you will get this screen. After entering, as I have created Alokesh and Associate, I am getting this screen. You can get another screen where it is written that company. In the name of the company, you just write in your name. आपका जो भी कंपनी है, फार्म है, जो भी है, उसका नाम लिखो. Anyone can tell me ये देख पा रहा है कि नहीं? हेलो,
दिख रहा है सर,
दिख रहा है ना?
दिख
तो
रहा है, दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है. तो मैंने ये कंपनी क्रिएट, आप लोग कंपनी क्रिएट कर पाया है कि नहीं? अगर जो नहीं कर पाया मेरे को बताइए, मैं दोबारा क्लिक इसको इंस्टॉल करूंगा, करके दिखाऊंगा. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. अपना कंपनी को क्रिएट कर ले लीजिए अपना अपना सॉफ्टवेयर में. कोई भी फार्म का नाम दे करके सिलेक्ट करिए.
Sir, I have inputted all the necessary data details, and it shows
तो-
that now
तो
a company
आपको ये
create.
स्क्रीन में आना है. जो स्क्रीन में अभी हम हैं, इस स्क्रीन में आएगा. कंपनी फॉर्म होने के बाद कंपनी का अंदर में ये स्क्रीन दिखेगा.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to understand Hindi. Could you please
हाँ,
tell me?
so if you have downloaded the Tally Prime in educational mode and create the company, and you have to come to this screen. You will come to this screen. Have you come to this screen?
No, sir. Just before that, I have inputted every details. Now,
And then
it
after
shows that.
you have to accept the details you have inputted in the sheet. You have to accept.
Yes,
You will see that in
I
the
have done
right
that.
side.
Now it shows that accounting, inventory, taxation, and all.
Okay, so that means you are here. Have you created the company?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will come this screen. Master. This is the master. I am quitting right now. I will again show you all these things. I am just quitting
Okay.
Tally Prime.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir. Okay.
Okay, I am quitting Tally Prime, and I am opening this one. Is this visible to everybody? Is this visible to everybody? That is educational mode, license, 4 options.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Wait. I have to share it again. Now you have seen it.
Yes, yes.
You have
Yes,
to
sir.
click here, education mode. Then you will come a middle screen, though, which I have already covered. I have created this company, Alokesh and Associate. Okay.
Okay, okay. Sir.
After creating the company, firm, or whatever the organization, whatever the case may be, you will come in this screen. This screen will everything in the Tally. You can create here master, chart of accounts, that means financial codes, GL code. You can transaction, you can create transaction for voucher. You can see the day book. You can see the utilities of banking. Here you can see the balance sheet, profit and loss, stock ratio, every report. This is the master and this is the report part. And here is the starting point of Tally Prime. This is the starting point of every starting point. If I want to click on the create button, you will see that there are accounting master. What is accounting master? We'll see. We know when we account that there are different type of accounts. There are mainly three type of accounts. One is real account, one is personal account, one is nominal account. Here also you will have to classify any ledger. Here account means ledger. In Tally, we'll call it a account as ledger. So you have to create first group of accounts, group of ledgers. You have to create group of ledgers. After that, you have to create ledger. After that, you have to go for inventory master. So today's class only for limited to introduction of the Tally point. How can we go for group? If you click on the group, you will see that I have to create a new group. There is a name. If I create a single name, Alokesh Dutta's capital account. Under it is the capital account. If I create another group, partners capital account, it is a group. Partners capital. Partners capital. It is under capital button. If you click here, you will see there are different groups which have been already created by the Tally. Bank account, bank OCC account, bank overdraft account, branch and division account, cash in hand, current asset, current liability, deposit, direct expenses. This is according to accounts principle. If you know the accounts, you can know the terms, and if you not satisfied with the groups created by the Tally, we can create from a group from here. Follow me? सबको समझ में आया? Is it understandable by everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? If any doubt, anybody raise the question right now.
Sir, I was stuck in somewhere. Can I share the screen? Could you please help me?
No, you can start in the Tally. You are stuck in where?
Sir, when I entered accept, one screen came, a small screen, which shows that accounting, inventory, and taxation. In there, when I enter, when I press enter, it something else is coming there. I don't know what to do.
No, you have
Now it's
to,
okay, sir. It's okay. It's okay.
in the right hand side, column corner, you will get accept or reject, yes or no. If you just enter and accept it, you will
Okay.
come out of the screen. Okay. You have
Okay, sir.
accepted the default settings.
Yes, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Now it's okay. Right now, so this means we are talking about the groups of accounts. Groups. There are groups, predetermined groups inbuilt in the Tally. If we are not satisfied with the groups, we can create whatever I have selected. As it is a primary stage, I am not creating any group. I just show you how to create a group. Escape. Quit. Yes. I am coming out from the same screen. Similarly, we can create ledger also. There are ledger, currency, voucher type, inventory, stock group, stock category, stock item. According to the need of your farm organization, you have to create, first you have to create this master list. This is the master. Before going to a voucher part, you have to know how to create a group. Now, similar process is that if I create this ledger, I can, is a blank screen is here. You have to name the ledger, and under means under which group it is this ledger will become. The group means which I have already shown you. So first you have to think, imagine that what are the different types of ledger I have to create for that organization, and what are the groups under which that account that ledger will be kept. This is the very vital point. But just listen. I am taking an example. There is a group. I am just escaping from that screen. I am just coming in the group. Just ABCD लिख रहा हूं under capital. Here is the group. If I want to create rent and rates accounts ledger, rent and rates ledger for capturing the expenditure on rent and taxes, then it should come in the indirect expenses. Expenses, here you will see expenses indirect, expenses direct. So if I want to create the ledger for rates and taxes, it should come under indirect expenses, because in rates and taxes cannot be a direct expenditure. It is an indirect expenditure. Any expenditure coming under the profit and loss account are come under indirect expenditure. Any income come in the profit and loss account should be indirect income. Here is indirect, direct income and indirect income. For gross trading account, we are using direct expenditure and direct income. That means sales is a direct income. Purchase of goods is a direct expenses. Follow my point? Is there any point? Anybody can ask any question. Is there any point?
No, sir.
How to clear? What are the difference between the ledger and group? Group is a summation of some groups. Groups create under a group that is one or more ledgers, and within a ledger we will capture all the entries, transactions of that nature. Ledger is preparing according to the nature of expenditure, and groups is creating according to trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet item. Follow my point? Is there any problem for anybody? Ask me. Don't hesitate. If you hesitate, you will not learn. These are the groups created already by the list of groups. These are created by the tally, and you have to create the ledger under these groups only. If you do not satisfy with the groups created by the tally, you can also create the group like that. What I am trying to say it. You can write here and create one group under group. Again, you have to create this group under a particular group. That is the master group created by tally. If you create a new group, it should be come under any one of the groups created by the tally. The point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, ledger, any ledger has been created. You have to get rent and rates taxes. I am putting simply salary. Salary. It should let salary for capturing the data for salary entry. This should become not under capital group. It should come under indirect expenditure. Salary is the indirect expenditure. Indirect expenditure. See, expenses indirect. Just enter. Type of ledger, discount not applicable. Discount or invoice rounding, no. not applicable. Input assessment value calculation statutory details. Input in assessable value, it is not a taxable item, so it is not just I follow this one and accept yes or no, yes. Now if you go here, if you come here, display more records. If you come here, display more records, just click. These are accounting. This is the display screen. Trial balance, day book, cash flow, fund flow, account books, statement of account, inventory books will come one by one. Don't worry. Right now, I am seeing that what I have created the ledger. It will come under account books. Any ledger come in the account books. Just click on that ledger, cash or bank or ledger. Just enter the ledger. See cash, profit and loss and salary. Just see that which we have created the ledger. Come here, salary. If you come there, nothing showing. No transaction is done. We have not done any transaction. Okay. Escape. Escape. Again, I have come in that screen, account book. These are the screen. Escape. Escape. We have come in the balance sheet part. Now, if you want to alter, no, this is not salary. This is salary and stipend. Come here, alter. What we have to alter? Group or ledger? Ledger. Enter. What ledger we have to alter? Salary. Enter. Here you will write salary and stipend. Again, enter. Take this, enter, yes or no? Yes. See, here the list is salary and stipend. Change it. Got the point? Is there any problem for anybody? Please
No,
tell
sir.
me.
No, sir.
No problem now?
Clear, sir.
Clear. So now, can I go further? Or if you have any question, just ask me. Unmute your mic and camera should be on so that I can see the face. Anybody has any problem till now? I will go step by step, slowly, so that you can learn really and you can start earning. One of the my basic part is that I have started this course only to give you a scope for earning. Most of the CMA students, after passing intermediate, don't have any job or don't have any source of income. If you follow this course and learn something from me and earn and start earning by creating small accounts from small enterprises or from small shop, it will be happy to know in my side that you are my effort is come to a result. Otherwise, it is also no no meaning. Otherwise, it is also no meaning, because I am spending time, but I am very disappointed by seeing the number of participants. In the inaugural session, there will be 25 attendance out of 550. Today is 10. What is the problem? Is is the timing is the problem, or is the joining link is the problem? Can anybody written in the chat box? If you have face any problem to join in the class, is there any problem? If any problem, we have given the feedback. Please write straightly and specifically what are the problems and what are your suggestion to improve our class. Frankly speaking, I am taking live streaming in LinkedIn, Google Meet, Facebook, YouTube, in different channels. But this is the first time I am taking classes in the Microsoft team. I don't know much better than you in using the Microsoft team. I have attended many meetings in the Microsoft team, but as an host, this is the first time I am holding the classes. So I don't know what problem you are facing. But one thing is clear, the person who are not joining in our website cmaguideindia.in cannot be able to see the class, because the cmaguideindia.in has been created by myself, and I have created only for seeing your need. You will see day by day I am increasing the features. Now you can take appointment directly from the site, one-to-one meeting in the Google Meet. There are time slot. You can see as per your convenient time slot, book a calendar, and you can talk to me directly. Again, there is a chat facility also. Anybody can chat within the site. Discussion board, that is a resume submission point. We are submitting the job portal. We are requesting different employer to post their job requirement here, so that you can find suitable job from our side itself. Study material, course, everything we are giving support. If you have any stuck in anywhere in the institute, you are not listening to you, you can raise the support ticket stating the reason. We will take up the matter with the institute. But because I am a very good rapport with the institute and different council members, so you will be benefited if you use this site. If you do not use the site, my effort will be go into water, because I have taken this website only for you people, that you can be benefited. When I see that different students are frustrated of not having any help, I am coming forward to help you, teach you, guide you. Take as much as you possible from me. I have nothing to be charged to you. Everything is free of cost. Everything. Because I don't want any money, but I want that you can be also come to my stage, so that you can also teach in next generation. In this way, our profession will grow and we will also grow. Now, again, I am coming that part. Now, can you see the master sheet? Master screen?
Yes, sir.
Anybody?
Yes, sir.
You are seeing. Okay. Right now. Now, we will see the chart of accounts right now. What are the chart of accounts? Again, this is the master group. First groups, then ledger, then voucher type. What are the different type of voucher in Tally? Different type of voucher is: number one, payment, receipt, sales voucher, purchase voucher. journal entries. These are the 5 types of transaction, and we will discuss one by one after going to taking an example in the next class. Tomorrow we will go for voucher entry. Today I am just introducing the what are the currency, what are the currencies, what are the voucher type. I will show you. See that what are the different type of vouchers. You will see attendance voucher, contracting, debit note, credit note, delivery note, the payment, purchase, stock, receipt, sales. These are the different types of voucher. And you will see the TallyPrime is a window-based software. You cannot memorize the command. You can just click on the button. You will get this entry. These are the different type of voucher. When I will go through the voucher, you will transaction practical example. You will get come to know the function of the each and everybody, every voucher type. Next, currencies. Here currency only Indian rupees, because we have selected in the opening screen Indian rupee. Budget. If you want to try and prepare the budget at the beginning of the year, we can also create the budget. This is the head of the budget. We can create the list of budget: purchase budget, sales budget, material budget, labor budget, stationery budget. We can list out this budget here. These are the columns you have to use in the preparation of that. We'll come next in the next classes. This one I just introduced. Today is the introduction of the TallyPrime process. Next, this is the scenarios: inventory master, stock groups. Just like accounts group, there will be a stock group. You have to create the stock group also, list of stock group, because in a company there are different type of stocks, and under a particular type there are different type of size, quality, make. So you have to first categorize the material stock, then subcategorize, then create the name of the. That means if I give the crude example, that is one bearing, 6 inches dia bearing, and a bearing made by escape 6 inches, and bearing of diamond 6 inches. These are the two different material. Both are bearing, both are 6 inches diameter, but the make is different. One is escape, one is diamond. Now you can tell what is the difference between this, because some machine requires escape bearing, some machine requires diamond machinery, depending upon the OEM. Means the manufacturer of the machine. If the manufacturer of the machine uses in his machine escape bearing, you cannot use in diamond bearing. It cannot be fitted there. If you manufacturer uses diamond machine bearing, you can replace it through a diamond bearing also. So for creating the stock, you have to go by one. First, you have to create the different types of material under groups, stock groups. Then you can create one by one the stock item. And similarly under ledger under group, here also stock item under stock group. Okay. Stock categories different. These are the stock items, stock categories, unit. Go down where you will see the different type of go downs. If you maintain 3-4 go downs, you can also give the list of the go down. You can see that main location. You can see other location also. Here only one go down is there, but you can create, if your company or firm is having the 2-3 go downs, you can create here also. Now voucher. These are when I go to the entry, this screen will appear. you will see that first point is F2, Mandap, it means date. Second point is company. Second point already selected, allocation associates. Then you have nothing to see. Number F4 contra, F5 payment, F6 receipt, F7 journal, F8 sales, F9 purchase, F10 other vouchers. You can click here also, or you can go F5, F9 if you can remember. Okay. So F6 is receipt, F7 is journal, F8 is sales, F5 is the payment, like this. This is the format, and at the end of that, there is a point F12, configure. So you can configure it. Use debit credit instead of to or by, yes or no. Provide supplier invoice reference, yes or no. You can choose as per your requirement. You can configure the voucher type here. Every voucher you can type here. This one you can yes, no, yes, no. If I require debit credit instead of to and by, yes. If I provide supplier invoice number, yes. One negative cash balance, one non-negative cash balance. What does it mean? This means if you want to write a transaction entry, cash which involve cash, but you have shortage of cash. You have cash in hand is 500, and you are putting a voucher for miscellaneous expenditure 800. So then there will be a warning that you are not having that much of cash. Your cash will be negative. So if you can bypass, you can ignore it, but warning is there. If you keep it no, there will be no warning message. So it should be yes, so that you can know that you don't have cash, you are doing something wrong, or something wrong entry, or you need some cash entry before putting the payment entry. Pre-locate bills or payment, it is not required. Use the default bank allocation. No, we can give the bank details as and when required. Auto check numbering, yes. Ledger wise balance or voucher creation, no. Print check, yes. Check details, yes. Now you can accept. Alt, if you have to save this one, Alt A. Here is accept. You can here click here also, accept. It has been accepted. It has been configured. See this configure once again. See, wherever we have changed, it has been written here. If we do not accept it, Control A cannot press, the saving modification cannot be saved. Escape. Escape means I have not saved anything. Yes, I am quitting this screen. Daybook. Daybook means for a particular date or for a range of date, you can see a number of transactions. If I want to verify with the voucher, oftenly we are verifying the in the month end that this is the transaction written in the tally, and that has to be tallied with our original voucher. So daybook means day to day transaction, date wise transaction, cash, bank, everything. Next, it is a banking. Create check printing, create check register, post register, deposit slip, payment advice, bank reconciliation. These are the banking menu. You can, if you can go for that, you can configure every aspect. Now, finally, if you come in the balance sheet, you will see there is no figure and no ledger seen here. Only capital, loan, current asset, profit and loss account. These are the inbuilt ledger, so it is showing. So you can see the balance sheet here of the balance sheet any day. Date wise, you can see the balance sheet. Profit and loss account. You can see the profit and loss account here. Day to day profit and loss account, you can see what are the actual profit. Okay, these are the indirect expenditure, net profit. What is the profit as on today? You can see from here. Or you can see for a period. Here is the period. You can see period from here 8/1/4/2024 to as on today 7/9/24. Enter. Sorry, 24. Okay, there is no entry. We have not selected the period in the beginning. That's why it is not taking. Okay. For 1st April, it is on. We have to select in the beginning the period. Then it will come. Okay. Acha, this is an education mode. One thing I forgotten. This is an education mode. You cannot change the date. Mane, you cannot see. In original package, you can create the date range. Okay. As it is a education mode, you can do everything for learning, but you cannot create original entry. So we will ignore the date part. We will just see how to please unmute the mic whose mic is on. Okay. Now we will ignore the date part because echo is going on. Whose mic is on? Everybody's mic is on. So this is the stock. This is a stock summary, ratio analysis, display more reports. You can give where we can see the each and every accounts, day book, cash flow, fund flow, and MSME report, etc., etc. Now, as on today, this is the end of this class. Whatever I have introduced, you just go into the money in practice. I am sitting here. You try your in your laptop or desktop from where you have login, and if anybody has stuck in anywhere, just tell me, unmute his mic. I will give the solution. Okay. Just you go through the practice. Do the practice. See how it is functioning. Or if anybody has any question or doubt, can tell me. Priyanka, anything you can tell? If anybody has any question, please raise his hand or unmute his mic and tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, when we go to create in a group or ledger, let's say,
Yeah,
there are, when we have to select the type of account that it is, let's say capital account or anything,
yes.
there are multiple, names, direct expenses, expenses in
Yes,
brackets,
correct,
direct
correct.
and all that.
Yes, yes, I got your point.
Yeah.
If you create a group, you have to keep that group under the already created groups. Anyone, according to the nature of the group. Okay. It is the accounting concept. If you create the partners account, partners capital account, it should be under capital account. If you create a ledger, Alokesh Dutta's capital account, it should be come under the capital account, partners capital account or capital account. In a partnership firm, and partners capital account under capital account, and individual partners capital account under partners capital account, like this.
No, sir. So, for example, we created salaries and stipend, right?
The salary and stipend, this is a ledger, not a group.
Okay, so we created a ledger, salary and
Yeah.
stipend. So we have to
Yes.
categorize it in which type of account, right?
Correct.
So in that, there are many that say direct expenses, indirect expenses. So under the same type of account, there are many names. They're all the same or they're for different.
These are all different category. Groups are different for different purposes. As per your ledger, which you are creating, you have to keep a ledger under any group which fits best. That means I am giving the example, salary and stipend we have created, and that should come under indirect expenses. That should not come under direct expenses. Okay. Because salary and wages come in the profit and loss account. Any type of profit and loss item should come under indirect income or indirect expenses. Any type of trading and manufacturing account should come under direct expenses or direct income. Is it clear?
Sir, can you just open your tally once? I'd like to show you.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm creating. I'm just creating. Create, right? What do you want to? Either group or ledger.
So go to group. Sorry, ledger.
Ledger. Yes, I'm giving ledger. Give the name. Which ledger you want to create?
Let's say rent and rates.
Huh?
Rent and rates.
Rent and rates. Right?
Correct.
Okay.
So
now
when we go to under,
you have to see that these are the columns. Okay.
so in this we have indirect expenses is selected one, but
Yes.
1 second. If you go up, there is expenses in bracket indirect.
Expenses indirect. Okay.
Yeah. So both are the same thing.
Both are the same thing.
But why are there two different like that?
Now they are in tally. This is the indirect expenses, means they are telling expenses direct, expenses indirect. You can keep here or you can consistently follow this one, or you can consistently follow this one. Okay, these are the two types of these groups. But in Tally 4.1, before that, there is only one indirect expenses. Okay, it
But
means,
are they the same?
right now I am seeing that there are two same groupings, but in different names. You have correctly pointed out. But indirect expenses and expenses indirect, there are no variance in accounting. Okay, both are
Same thing.
indirect expenses. But you have to follow consistently one group. You cannot
Okay.
interchangeably some ledger in expenses indirect, some ledger indirect expenses, not like that. Okay.
That means if we open profit and loss account, if we select by mistake one or the other, we'll get two groups, right?
Correct. You will get two groups, and after when it is pointed out, you can see that there are mistakenly there are two groups. You have to alter the particular ledger under group. So then it will automatically without losing the data.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other any question? Any question from anybody? Or shall I conclude? If you trying, please unmute and tell me that you are trying, you are creating, you are practicing. I'm still here. No matter, no problem for me. I'm sitting here to help you. But don't keep mum. One thing I am telling you, that who have missed the classes, we don't have any arrangement for recorded classes, because if anybody miss the classes, if anybody want recording, I will provide him only to him, not to everybody. Because if anybody is not any interest, so why should I spare my time for recording? It is recording. The class is under recording. I have to edit it, and after that I have to post it in the Google in my Google channel, YouTube channel. Then it will be shared in the site. So it will take a time. It will take time, and if it is not required by anybody, why should I spoil my time? And in the live classes, if you come here, you can ask me any question. You can take practice alongside with me and learn in real sense. From recorded class, you can see only voice and the screen I am sharing only. Anybody? Okay. Then yes. Akash.
Suppose if we miss one class, can we this one the class will be available in the link, or like a
No,
recorded
the
version?
class will not be available in the link. You have to write to the support in the CMA Guide India.in that I have missed this class, and please provide me the link, or please provide me the class. We will provide him. Free
Okay,
of
sir.
cost.
Okay, sir. Okay,
But
sir. Thank you, sir.
the
Because
person who is not
Saturday
asking for
sometime I have,
class, yes,
yeah, I am
it will
I have
not be
job, sir.
public.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got my point? It will not be public to the anybody, because the person who have attended the class, if I
Okay.
give it a public, so what is the meaning of that physical attendance in here? Please fill up the Google form, Google Meet form. That will be your attendance, and who attended the 90% of the classes will get the certificate from myself, and which will be in the letterhead of myself, and it will carry a lot of things. You can show it anywhere, because I am a practitioner, licensed practitioner, and I will try it to tie up with the Skill India Nation. This is negotiating. If it is possible, it will be certified by Skill India Nation also. If it is feasible, if they are permit me to conduct the class, there are certain criteria. Anyway, till there you have to put the Google form. Everybody has fill up the Google form.
Yes, sir.
How many person have been fill up the Google form? Please tell me. Anyone left?
Sir, I didn't feel. I was waiting for after the class.
No, whatever your comment, whatever your suggestion, it never it will encourage me, and also I can rectify that one. Only 5 responses I received, and in the class 12 people have been done. That means 7 people have not yet submitted the feedback form. Please submit the feedback form before leaving the class. Please. It will be meaning for us. Who are the persons? Ume Kulsum, Somadev Sen, Hamza, Priyanka GB. These 5% have been, these 4% have been submitted. 4 responses. We have received 4 responses. Other than 4%, 4 students, nobody has submitted. Please submit. If anybody has present here, I'm seeing from the record, and do not submit the response, I will not allow in the next class. I'm very strict for that only. Please submit the Google form and feedback form. This is your response. This is your attendance. If you do not put your attendance, you will not get the certificate. And also, you will not be able to attend the next class. If you attend the class and do not fill the attendance, you will not be able to attend the next class. I will not allow.
Sir, from where, sir? Is it from the CMA Guide? This is a Google form we can get?
No. It is in the chat box itself. See the chat
Okay,
box.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
You can see upward. There is a Google form. Just scroll up. You will get the Google form in the chat box.
Sir, I can't find that, sir. Can you send that
Okay.
again?
Yes. I'm giving you again. I'm again giving the form. Now I think you can be able to this one. Just click on that, fill the form and submit.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, what's the difference between group and ledger? Could you please?
The group is a combination of ledgers. Group means broadhead in the profit and loss and balance sheet. And ledger
okay.
is micro accounts under a particular group. Say for a fixed asset. There are number of ledgers, computer, furniture fixtures, machinery, plant and vehicles like this. And these are all come under fixed asset group. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir. It's clear. Thank you.
Only 5 has been submitted. I'm seeing in from the separate screen. Who are the responses? 6 responses received. Still 6 is there because 12 people is here. Sorry, including me, 12 participants, 11 people is there, 7 responses, 4 left. Soumendra Kumar, Sani Raj. Soumendra Kumar. Sani Raj, you have not submitted. Priyanka submitted. Minu. Minu is not submitted. Afiz Abdul has not submitted.
Sir, just now I have submitted.
You have submitted?
Yes, sir. Just now I have done that.
Huh?
Just now I have submitted. I filled the form, feedback form.
Okay, I am just seeing Abdul Rahman Afiz. Huh? Yes, you have submitted.
Yes. Sir, suppose if we miss any class, how can we contact you for the recordings?
You can raise the question, query in the question and answer box in the CMA Guide India. You can raise the question. I will give the reply.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Alternatively, you can book my calendar for consult expert. You can also one-to-one meeting with me also. But from 9 to 11, I will not be available. I am going to Delhi for attending Coal India Audit Committee meeting. So that time I will not be available. Otherwise, I will be available to give the reply. Sani Raj is telling that I joined late. Will I get class recorded? If you request to support in our CMA Guide India.in request, I will send you the recorded class. But for that, you have to submit. Sani Raj has not been submitted right now. Sani, please submit feedback form.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Sir, what about that missed class attendance, sir? Suppose if we miss the class now, we can't able to sign that form. So how can we make sure that attendance is there?
Yes. If you miss the class, if you do not attend the physical class, you cannot submit the feedback form. You cannot give the attendance. That's why for obtaining certificate, 90% class is required. 10% gap. You have to be attentive for every classes.
Okay,
And
sir.
rest
Okay.
assured, rest assured for this week, that means Saturday, Sunday. Next Saturday, Sunday is doubtful for me because I have some other work. If it is not matured, if I am available in the next Saturday, Sunday, I will take next Saturday, Sunday class, and that will be announced in the Tuesday itself in our site. Okay. You can
Okay, sir.
follow the site. Our site will be will announce as soon as my program has been. This September is very volatile for me because I have to leave out of station frequently for attending different type of audit. So for September, please bear with me. There will be a lagging in the class, but from October onwards, that will be a schedule for particular month, and that will be stick to that. I will stick to that because at that time I will not be able. I will be able to stay at Bilaspur and I can take the class. Okay. Sani Raj has been Sani. Have you submitted the feedback form? Except Sani, everybody has submitted.
Sir, how many days will be there this class? Hello, sir.
Yes.
How many days will be there class?
That is depend upon your grasping power.
Okay, okay, sir.
And, till now we have planned 6 classes for Tally Prime. Total 6
Okay.
classes for Tally Prime, starting from the introduction. And today I have completed the introductory part. Yes, tomorrow I will give you the practical example how to create the different type of vouchers, how to create the stock, and like this. This will be teach. You will learn in the next class voucher entry, which is exactly required. And through that voucher creating, I'll also create the ledger also and create the date also. Sorry, date part I cannot tell because it is an educational mode. So that cannot be possible. This is a free classes and the license fee which I have taken for the Microsoft team. It is not a free. It is a paid version and only one user can use that license. If I add any other person with me with the team, I have to take in another license. For 10 and 12 persons, I cannot afford from my pocket 2 classes, which is 145 per month plus GST. I have to pay. So rest assured, I will be the host only. There should not be any co-host. Everybody will be the learner. Because if the participant is huge, there will be a requirement of another co-host and another person who can admit and non-admit. If the participants are increasing, we will definitely add one license also, and one dedicated host also. Okay, let's conclude the
Sir,
session.
Sir, I have
Yes.
a question.
Yes.
Sir, approximately by November, will these classes be completed?
No, it will continue because there are other courses also. Tally Prime is only one subject. It after that income tax is coming, GST is coming, cost audit is coming, cost record keeping is coming. So,
Okay, because I have to write final in December. That's why I'm asking.
So if there are final student CMA candidate, please intimate me through the support ticket that whether I can stop the class for till exam, and after that I will again resume the classes. Then I can also arrange like that. No harm for that.
Sure. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So if your exam comes, we will consider all these things. You are a
Yeah, I
chartered
am
student or CMA student.
CMA student, sir.
So your exam will be, I think, 10th December onward.
Correct. Correct. December 10th, I
Okay.
have only one group 3.
Okay. We will try to conclude within 15th November tally and income tax, but not all classes. Some classes will be left after exam.
Sir, me
Mostly.
also, sir. December term exam, CMA final.
Okay. We will take classes up to 15th November. After that, there will be no classes. And after completion of the CMA exam, we will resume the classes. Okay. Is it
Okay,
fine
thank you.
for everybody?
Sure. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I will plan accordingly. Okay. Because it is for you only, bhai. It is for you. If you are not able to attend, so what is the use of my classes? That's no use. Okay. So I'm conclude right now. Thank you everybody for participating. And if that
Thank you, sir.
okay,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
you can leave. You can leave.